Guys, welcome, ladies and gents, to Trevlyn GH in Ghana. Right now, we are at a top location. You always ask, where is the next top location, up and coming area in Ghana? And I'll tell you what, we're right here right now in Tse Addo, Accra. Right now, we're literally 10 minutes from Palace Mall Spintex, 15 minutes from Accra Mall, 10 minutes from Labadi Beach, and I mean, everything literally is around you right here. Behind me, we have 12 apartments, a mixture of 1-2 beds. And the price, wait for it. Anyway, join me, let's go and have a look and see what's going on. So ladies and gents, let's head into the 2-bedroom apartment, 105 square meters of space. This is a voluminous place, like huge space. If you can see where I'm standing right now, from here is your living area, and I'm gonna walk to show you how big this living area is to where the TV will go. The TV will be right here, your TV, and from this area here, you're gonna go into the dining area, which is this bit here. You're gonna have a glass window here. You're gonna have your dining area here, which gives you access to the living area. Over here, you're gonna have a glass door that leads you into the kitchen area. In the kitchen, you will have gas hob, electric oven, fridge freezer, extractor fan, and it's a good sized kitchen. You also have a small balcony over here as well, okay? Which is great because you have an outdoor space. Now back into the living area, you also have this wonderful balcony which gives you beautiful views of Tse Addo and the surrounding areas. Awesome stuff, right? So let's head in and have a look at the sizes of the bedrooms. Now over here, you have 2 equal sizes of bedrooms. Now this bit here, before we get into the bedrooms, you've also got a guest washroom, so no one has to go into your bedroom to use the WC. But this is one of the bedrooms, which is a good sized double bedroom. You have built-in wardrobes. Now remember, every room has a fan ceiling and also AC. So that comes as standard. It will be tiled and it will be neutral for you. This bit here will be built-in wardrobes right across there, leading you right here into your ensuite shower room, which will be glassed off. And you'd also have a nice little balcony, again, looking at the other side of the development itself, which looks at the swimming pool. So you get views of the swimming pool. Now let's head into the second. I don't know whether it's the second or the first because they're all equal sizes more or less, which is very, very good. And they're very sizable places as well. So let's head into the second part, I would say. Again, you've got a very good size bedroom. TV will go over that side on the wall. Again, you've got light coming in because there's a mirror window right there. You've got over here, you have a wardrobe space. Again, you've got your ensuite and you've also got another additional balcony here. So guys, without further ado, this is a phenomenal investment. If you want to buy to live in Accra and you want to use as Airbnb and so forth, it can easily achieve great double-digit figures for you. Rental-wise, you're looking at anything between a 900 figure per calendar month USD to 1,000 USD per month. It's a good deal, guys. And this area, like I said, is one of the fastest developing areas. I was here 6 months ago and I couldn't tell you what we saw with the roads just about to be developed. Today, the roads are all tarred. Just imagine that with restaurants, shops, hospitals, schools, all popping up everywhere. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna leave it over there. This is the 1 bed at 30 square meters of space. This here, as you enter, you come straight in and you're met with the kitchenette area right here. Over here is a cozy living area, which is quite long, and you have right here the living area. So this is your living area for the 1 bedroom, which is not bad at all. Remember, you've got 11 feet high ceilings. Over here is your bedroom, which you're gonna have built-in wardrobes right here. Your bed will go right here with a window above it, and you've got a balcony just over here with lovely views and an ensuite shower room with glass. Now, guys, this is such a good location, such great prices, starting at 60,000 USD or equivalent in Ghana cedis. Do not miss this opportunity. As mentioned previously, 60% has already been sold. If you're looking for somewhere that can reach your budget and you feel comfortable with it, guys, could be the one for you. Guys, sadly, we've come to the end of this tour, but what do we have here? We have a mixture of 1 bedrooms, starting with 30 square meters of space. That's open plan kitchen lounge, ensuite bathroom, and open balcony as well. So you do have a balcony with it, which is fantastic. You also have 2 bedrooms, good size spaces, 105 square meters of space, double bedrooms, all with ensuite and a balcony that comes with it as well. You are pretty much in the most up and coming area. All the roads are pretty much done. That means they're all tarred and great access to this. You are just off the main road in Tse Addo, just the roundabout. As mentioned, you're 10 minutes away from Palace Mall, where you have all the stores from restaurants to clothing to accessories and so forth. You're also 10 minutes drive away from Labadi Beach Hotel, which means you can get access to all the beaches, all the amenities. You've also got Airport Hills, again, just around the corner. So if people are asking you, where is the next up and coming area in Accra? This is it. You don't want to miss out, and prices are starting from as little as 60,000 USD. I said that right, 60,000 USD per 1-bed apartment. 150 for the 2-bed apartment, which is 105 square meters. You don't want to miss this out. This development actually has parking space for each apartment, and you also get a swimming pool, security 24 hours. And guys, I can't say this enough. If you're looking for a place where you can just land 10, 15, 20 minutes away from the airport, from Accra Mall and so forth, guys, this could be your next venture. So hit us up. Let us know whether you're interested. In regards to payment plans, it all will be in the details and in the descriptions below. Don't forget to like, hit it right now, notification button, subscribe guys, and let us know in the comments what you want to see more of, and we'll be able to help you with that, okay? On that note guys, take care.